Have you ever wondered who makes a better friend, a girl or a boy? It's a question that has likely crossed your mind at some point, whether you're reminiscing about your childhood best friend or pondering your current friendships. Recently, a comprehensive survey was conducted involving thousands of participants from various age groups and walks of life. They were asked to share their experiences and insights about their friendships. The goal was to understand the dynamics of friendship and to explore whether gender plays a significant role in shaping these relationships. The results were fascinating. The study found that while there were variations in friendships across genders, there was no clear winner when it came to who made better friends. Both girls and boys, men and women, had their unique strengths and contributions in a friendship. For instance, the survey revealed that female friendships often tend to be more emotionally supportive. Women tended to talk more about their feelings, and these friendships were often characterized by empathy and understanding. On the other hand, male friendships were often based on shared activities and interests. These friendships were characterized by camaraderie and the shared experience of doing things together. But it's important to remember that these are general trends and not strict rules. Everyone is unique, and so is every friendship. We all have our own ways of expressing care, support, and love. What matters most isn't the gender of your friend, but the quality of the friendship. To summarize, the study revealed that there's no definitive answer to who makes a better friend, a girl or a boy. Both genders bring their own unique strengths to friendships. Female friendships often provide emotional support and understanding, while male friendships often revolve around shared activities and experiences. But remember, these are just general trends. What truly matters is the quality of the friendship, the connection you share, and how you support and care for each other. After all, friendship isn't about gender, it's about connection. So, the next time you find yourself wondering who makes a better friend, remember that it's not about gender. It's about connection, shared experiences, and mutual support. Each friendship is unique, just like each one of us, and that's the beauty of friendship. It's not about finding people who are exactly like us, but about finding those who complement us, challenge us, and help us grow. So cherish your friendships, regardless of whether they are with girls or with boys. Because at the end of the day, a good friend is simply someone who brings out the best in you.